Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about some profits. These are some profits that people post, and not everybody posts profits. A lot of people are very private about it, but here's some profits that you can pause the bot, kind of look through. This guy's only been in a few weeks, and he's hitting his goals daily. Got a lot of Apex and new profit traders, and then live accounts and so forth. You can kind of look through here. A lot of profits being posted, and it's actually working out really well for people. This guy traded micros, $118 on micros. That's really good. Mark, he always kills it. He likes the coastal bot. Is what he likes to run. But look through here. I mean, there's small profits, there's large profits. People are just doing very well. Very happy with how people have done. Again, not everybody posts profits. We have a lot of private people in here, and they just don't do it. So it does work out pretty good for most people. The money that is being made on these is just incredible. This one, he bought a $25,000 account and tried to pass it in one day, but he's going to stop there. So $25,000 count, I think it's $1,500, and he used the bot, the Sweet Scalper bot, made $551. And these are his PA accounts that he made. He's got 20 PA accounts, so roughly 800. So that's $16,000. And just going through here, doing real well. He done another 400 account there. Doing very well. Look over to Spybot Profits. We have, there's 368. A lot of people loving the new bars that I made, doing real well. Here's some more profits. Mark runs the bots most of the time. He doesn't do much manual trading. He does more bots. He probably runs the bots more than anybody. But you can see the trades that they're making. This is one, this was not real money. I was doing some training showing how to use the bot, $24,000. I should have traded it live, but I didn't. It was on the sim account, so I don't want you to think that it was, $24,000 on the bot, real money, because it wasn't. But this one, I was doing a live training to a group overseas in Dubai, and we got them all on there together, and I was showing them how you could use your manual entries and let the bot trade and so forth. We were doing, I think, 4 contracts on that. Here's another one, $700. There's a lot of profits in here. You can look at them and see what you think. The profits are actually working really well. We got different people using different things. We've got several bots that you can use. The main thing is to do the manual profits. That's where it's all about. We do some call-outs on futures, options. We don't do much options, but we have some call-outs on it. I got a few options people in there. Then also we've got our strategies that we're using right here, and just a lot of different things that you can find on there. Of course, our Discord rules. It's just a matter of being polite. Don't be racist. Don't cut people down and stuff. And just be normal. That's really what our rules are. And if anything happens, I give a warning and then go from there. But that's where the money is. And then a lot of people will say, well, how do I get there? How do I make this money? Well, the way you make this money is you go ahead and lease the Ninja Suite. So you go in here, go up to the top, click on Ninja Suite. When you click on that, you can click it right here, and that will take you over to the page in order to put it in your shopping cart. A little video talks a little bit about it, some information about the bots and what we do and the live training. One of the #1 questions is, can I buy it? No, it's a lease only. How many PCs? Just one. I don't allow more than one. If you have a VPS and, say, a laptop or a work computer or whatever, there's only one, but you can change your ID to go back and forth if you need to. Some people travel, so they'll use like their home-based PC, and then sometimes they'll go on a travel. You can change that for that. The Discord, a lot of people want to go ahead and come in and look and see what's going on. I don't allow the public in there because we talk about stuff pertaining to the Ninja Suite, or wide open with all the information. Also, I do not give any free trials. There's no, you either lease it or you don't get it. The majority of the people will continue to lease the Ninja Suite. We have some that will go ahead and quit at the end of the month. Some people can't afford it. And the reason they can't afford it is because they come in hoping to make $1 million in the first month so that they can buy everything they want. That's not the way it works. This is a commitment to learn, and it's the price it is actually very reasonable for what you get. And most people will stay with the lease. So it is for 30 days, and you get all the bots, all the indicators, all the training, everything. You can just read through here, and it gives you everything you need. If you need to contact me, come up here to the Contact Us. When you contact, put in your information. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number in. I'm more than happy to talk to you. Yes, it does work with funded accounts. The majority of the people in our group use a funded account. We have a lot of live in there, but the majority use the funded because they're piggybacking their live account trades to the funded accounts, and by doing that, that's allowing them to make extra money for doing nothing extra. And that's how we justify the funded accounts. Is we have our live account, and then every time we trade it, it trades those funded accounts too, and it's just free money. That's the way we look at it. But if you have any questions, just let me know. There are some discounts. Apex has 80% off until January 23rd. Profits 30% until January 31st. Having questions, let me know. I'd love to hear from you, and let's get you started in the Ninja Suite so you can start posting your profits.